Hey, so is Jungle Scout available in Amazon Netherlands? Does it support the Amazon Netherlands marketplace? And which tools of Jungle Scout work on Amazon Netherlands? You're going to discover it in this video. In the description, you're also going to find the best discounts for Jungle Scout, a playlist with over 100 Jungle Scout tutorials, and this page list of supported countries with exact tools that support each marketplace. But I'm going to make it easier for you by explaining it all to you. My name is Vava Evans, seller on Amazon since 2016. Great to meet you. So let's read here and discover what Jungle Scout has for Amazon Netherlands. So support for different stores depends on the specific product feature. This time, Jungle Scout is fully compatible with the following Amazon marketplaces. So Netherlands is not on the first list of the fully compatible marketplaces, but it is on the list of, in addition, we offer limited support for the following stores. So here it is, Amazon.nl number 3. So let's see exactly which tools work with Amazon NL. So NL is here, number 7 from the right, NL, and let's see exactly which tools work there. So home dashboard is just basically the main dashboard once you log into Jungle Scout, fully available with Amazon NL Netherlands. Next part is Toolbox, Sales Estimator, and Listing Grader. The Sales Estimator is a tool that's helping you find the amount of sales a product makes per month on Amazon. And Listing Grader is a tool that helps you understand if a specific listing on Amazon is good or not. Both of those, unfortunately, are not available for Amazon NL. I will tell you that down in the description. Again, I have this page and it's going to get updated with time. So maybe if you're watching this a year or two from now, maybe they'll have more tools. So I do recommend you clicking on the link and getting updated. And also, I have some alternatives for Amazon Netherlands for you in the description that can help you. But again, it's kind of a developing marketplace. So for now, most of the tools and software still don't have a lot of exposure for these marketplaces with their tools, but hopefully it's going to change. Product research, product tracker, product database, opportunity finder, category trends. Nothing so far is available for Amazon NL with Jungle Scout. Product tracker by Jungle Scout is a tool that helps you track different products. So basically, let's say you found a product, you want to see how it's doing on Amazon. You put it into the tracker and you can see its sales, you can see the reviews that it's getting, etc. Unfortunately, it does not work for Netherlands. For the next tool, that's product database and opportunity finder. Those two tools actually are tools for product research. Those tools can help you find different products based on specific criteria. Unfortunately, they don't work in Amazon Netherlands, but what those tools do, they, for example, help you find from within a huge database of products that Jungle Scout has specific products. Let's say you want to see products that weigh less than 100 grams, and those products are making over $50,000 a month, let's say, okay, and they have less than 200 reviews. You will then see if such criteria exist. You will see such products, and from there you can dig deeper and do product research. Very good tools. Unfortunately, they don't work with Amazon NL. Category trends is the next tool, only available for Amazon US. Doesn't work on Netherlands, and actually on none of the marketplaces except the US. This tool will help you kind of see the category trends and the best kind of products in different categories. What you can also do is you can go to the best sellers on the Amazon.nl, and from there you can just find the best selling products there in their best sellers list or the most wished for items, etc. But again, the specific category trends is only available for the US now with Jungle Scout. Next part is suppliers. And we have supplier database and supplier tracker. A supplier database is not available for Amazon Netherlands. A supplier database is a tool that can help you find suppliers of your competitors. For example, let's say you find a good competitor and they have good quality for their product, and you decide to see if you can find a supplier. So in the US marketplace, you can sometimes find it through the supplier database. So you can contact the same supplier maybe and find the same good quality. Not available with the Netherlands. Supplier tracker is available for Amazon Netherlands. This is a tool that helps you kind of organize your purchase invoice with different suppliers, your communication with suppliers. You can kind of organize it there, and it's a nice tool just to stay organized. So it is available for Amazon Netherlands. Next part is keywords, and none of the tools, unfortunately, are available at this point of time for Amazon Netherlands, such as Keyword Scout for keyword research that helps you find the best keywords. Keyword Lists is a tool that helps you organize those best keywords into different lists, so you can then use those lists for Listing Builder to build a good listing from those keywords, and not available, unfortunately, for Amazon Netherlands. Rank Tracker also is not available. It's a tool that helps you track the rank of different products and their keywords. Let's say you have a product that is a pack of baby diapers. And you can see if they're ranking for a keyword like baby diapers or best baby diapers, and they're on page number 2, position number 40, for example. And you can track the keyword for a specific product there, for your own product or for your competitor's product. It can help you when you're doing some promotions for a product, or maybe you're following a specific kind of a seller and you want to see like their sales, like are they getting good sales? Maybe then you can see their pictures and see if you can improve something in your own product, etc. So good tool, but it's not available for Amazon Netherlands NL. Next one is marketing review automation, is available for Amazon Netherlands. Basically, this tool will help you automatically request reviews for your purchases on Amazon Netherlands. So let's say you've sold like 10 of those baby diaper sets, and then you can automatically request reviews for those purchases. And basically, Jungle Scout has a specific kind of a template for review requests that Amazon itself provides. So it's approved by Amazon, and it just automates the process for you. Pretty cool thing, review automation. Next part here is sales analytics, profit overview, P&L statement, other transactions, fully available for Amazon Netherlands. So those tools help you understand the profitability of your business on Amazon Netherlands. So you can input the product costs there. Jungle Scout will connect to your Seller Central. It will count your sales, your refunds, etc., and will give you like final numbers of your profitability. It's a good tool to see if you're actually profiting or not, because the tools by Amazon itself are quite limited. But the tool by Jungle Scout does work with Netherlands, and it can be really useful for you if you want to see the exact numbers your business is making. Next one is advertising and advertising analytics. So it is available for Netherlands. It's a tool for pay-per-click ads on Amazon. Some people choose to use tools to manage their PPC, and there's such tool by Jungle Scout. We have a tutorial for this tool in the description, and there's actually a playlist of tutorials, and the best discounts for Jungle Scout are also down in the description below for you. And the next part is managed products, inventory manager, and product settings and costs, fully available for Amazon Netherlands. Those tools will help you work with your stock on Amazon, not to go out of stock and not overstock. So basically, the Jungle Scout interface kind of connects to your Seller Central, and you input the time it takes you to produce a specific product, the time it takes you to ship it, and then based on your sales on the platform, Jungle Scout will tell you like when to order more stock, like how many days you have left with the stock. So it's pretty comfortable for basically not going out of stock and not overstocking with your products. So I do recommend you using it. Other tools like the extension we have. Extension is a tool for product research, product validation for Amazon Netherlands. You can download it through the link in the description. Unfortunately, right now, the extension does not support the Netherlands marketplace. You can see the 10 marketplaces that are supported, but I do recommend you clicking on the link to check out this page if you're watching this in the future, because I believe with time it will work there, and you'll see exactly which tools are working with Amazon Netherlands. If it's still a marketplace that Jungle Scout finds interesting for themselves and Amazon itself is still working there, I believe it is going to be kind of a good marketplace. So in the description, you have the best discounts for Jungle Scout. You have this page that we're seeing right here. And also we have the playlist of tutorials, which is also going to appear here on the screen. You can click on the playlist to watch different tutorials of different Jungle Scout tools to make the most out of this tool for Amazon sellers. I'm wishing you a great day and enjoy Amazon Netherlands. Let's go. Have a great week and day and month and year and decade and century